USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very crucial, very important closure, civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. And this is how the civil justice write-up is going to be. And it is because the United States of American nation created robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to I and enforced finance disability to I and created finance death to I, and that is the deadliest crime for a nation to enforce poverty. So the civil justice is victims of abuse, patients, medical compensations, claims billing process as of February 17th of 2020-21. Prostitution Babylon USA at fault found guilty in all counts of crime of Vatican for with fatal negligence. USA nation created robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and prostitution. USA nation took away $4,500 in October 2018, and with fatal negligence at fault found guilty. USA nation enforced crime 1 is USA nation poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Pro Se. Crime 2 is USA nation finance disability took away $4,500 on October 2018 mandate disability to I Vedapriya Pro Se. Then crime 3 is USA nation finance debt is $10,210.38 mandated to I Vedapriya Pro Se. So domestic, these are all the crime of USA comes under the domestic violence types, that is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and type, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types. And at fault found guilty, Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh stole the rightful job belonged to I Vedapriya Pro Se, for I Vedapriya Pro Se should have been elected as a Supreme Court Judge of USA on October 2018, and just to steal the rightful job belonged to I Vedapriya Pro Se alone, Republican GOP leader, then President Trump and Brett Kavanaugh, the Supreme Judge, created robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Pro Se on October 2018. And I Vedapriya Pro Se want civil justice now, and that is as of February 2021 today. I Vedapriya Pro Se want civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. So Roman Province Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis must resign now. And Opus Dei must pay tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second. And I Vedapriya Pro Se to become the Vatican leader now, and that is the civil justice, sir. And I hope we are all in the same page on this regard, my dear fellow mankind. And yes, I am providing as much as fast as possible with best of my ability, because I want civil justice, I want finance aid, I want job offer, right? And I want to be the Supreme Court judge, I want to be the Vatican leader, and then I want to be the global medical poverty relief chief director for all nations. Then I have to be the interim leader, and I have to take care of all how to provide the medical finance aid for entire human kingdom. So yes, I should get the civil justice immediately without any delay in front of all nations only, according to the Holy Bible guidelines. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.